Hi everyone. Today's project is all about form validation using JavaScript. We build a function that checks for empty fields and displays helpful error messages. This kind of client-side validation improves usability and user experience. Let's jump right into the, let's jump right into how it works step by step. We first want to make sure users do not leave fields empty. When the user hits submit, JavaScript will check if all required fields are filled. If any are blank, we'll prevent the form from submitting and show a red error. Let's take a look at the JavaScript code that powers this. We first attach a submit listener to the form and stop it from sending data. We check each required field to see if it is empty. If it is, we create a paragraph element and add a warning. All errors are shown right below the form using a simple DOM manipulation. When the form is submitted, we loop through each required field. If we find an empty one, we generate an error message. Each message is injected below the form for easy visibility. This gives users immediate feedback before they submit. In this case, the user filled in the email but left the name and message blank. JavaScript picks up picks that up and creates two clear error messages. This happens without refreshing the page, making the form more user friendly. It's a practical, lightweight approach to validation. Form validation is everywhere: contact forms, sign-up pages, and more. This method prevents users from missing important inputs. It works across devices and can be easily styled to match your design. Let's wrap up and review what we've done. We've successfully built a form validator that shows real-time errors. With just a few lines of code, your forms become smarter and more user-friendly. This is great for improving conversions and reducing user frustration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.